She manages to get most of it down, too.
Yeah.
Except for when she slaps the spoon. Yum.
I just cannot believe that she's eating salad foods.
Yeah.
Such a big girl.
Oh.
Lou, is that good?
Oh.
She's like, what do you think?
What does it look like, Aunt Liz?
Yeah.
Put it in my mouth. Put it in there.
Over here, woman.
Mmm.
Alright, let's take a little break. Make sure you don't
Yeah. Yeah.
get all of this back up. Here.
It's amazing how she's just staring at the video.
Make sure she's not staring at her bowl.
Yeah.